Forget the Vikings. Denmark's next conquest? Quantum supremacy. For centuries, Denmark has been known for its fearless explorers, its rich maritime history, and its legendary warriors who sailed the seas in search of new worlds. But today, the spirit of adventure is alive in a whole new way. Instead of longboats and axes, Denmark is wielding the power of science and technology, setting its sights on a frontier that could change the world as we know it, the quantum realm. So here's the deal. Denmark just launched a moonshot mission to build a quantum computer so powerful, it'll make today's supercomputers look like ancient abacuses. Imagine a machine so advanced, so mind-bendingly fast, that it could solve problems in seconds that would take even the best computers on Earth millions of years. This isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into a new era of computing. One that could unlock mysteries in medicine, revolutionize cryptography, and even help us understand the universe itself. Their goal? 1 million qubits by 2034. That's not just a number, it's a revolution in the making. To put it in perspective, most quantum computers today operate with just a handful of qubits, maybe a few dozen if you're lucky. But Denmark is aiming for 1 million. That's a scale so massive it's almost hard to comprehend. It's like going from the Wright brothers' first flight to landing on Mars in a single leap. That's like comparing a paper airplane to a rocket ship. The difference in power, speed, and potential is almost unimaginable. With 1 million qubits, the possibilities explode. Suddenly, problems that were once impossible to solve become trivial. It's a transformation that could touch every aspect of our lives, from how we design new medicines to how we keep our data safe, and even how we tackle climate change. Leading the charge are two of Denmark's most prestigious institutions, the Novo Nordisk Foundation and the legendary Niels Bohr Institute. The Novo Nordisk Foundation, known for its commitment to scientific innovation and health, is providing the financial muscle and vision to make this dream a reality. Meanwhile, the Niels Bohr Institute, named after the Nobel Prize-winning physicist who helped lay the foundations of quantum theory, brings a legacy of groundbreaking research and a team of world-class scientists. They've teamed up with physicists, engineers, and AI wizards from all over Europe. This isn't just a Danish project, it's a continental effort bringing together the brightest minds from across the EU and beyond. From quantum theorists in Germany to chip designers in the Netherlands and AI specialists in France, the collaboration is as diverse as it is ambitious. Together, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, sharing knowledge, resources, and a common goal: to put Europe at the forefront of the quantum revolution. And the starting budget? Over $200 million. That's just the beginning. This kind of investment signals just how serious Denmark is about leading the quantum race. It's not just about building a computer, it's about building an entire ecosystem of innovation, education, and industry that can support and sustain quantum research for decades to come. With this level of funding, Denmark is sending a clear message to the world. They're not just participating in the quantum revolution, they intend to lead it. But what exactly is a quantum computer? For most of us, the idea sounds like something out of science fiction. A mysterious black box that can solve impossible problems with a wave of its hand. But the reality is even more fascinating. Quantum computers are machines that harness the strange and counterintuitive laws of quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe. Instead of regular bits, those boring 0s and 1s, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both at the same time thanks to superposition. Imagine flipping a coin. In the classical world, it's either heads or tails, but in the quantum world, it can be both at once, existing in a state of uncertainty until you look. This ability to be in multiple states simultaneously gives quantum computers their incredible power. But that's just the beginning. Quantum computers also use a phenomenon called entanglement, where two qubits become linked in such a way that the state of one instantly affects the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. This is where things get seriously wild. Entanglement allows quantum computers to process information in ways that are fundamentally impossible for classical computers, opening up new realms of possibility for everything from cryptography to artificial intelligence. Add entanglement, and things get even more mind-bending. Imagine being able to send information instantly across vast distances, or solve puzzles that would stump even the most powerful supercomputers. That's the promise of quantum computing, a world where the impossible becomes possible, and the limits of technology are pushed further than ever before. Translation? It can solve problems in seconds that it'd take today's fastest computers 1 million years. Think about that for a moment. Problems that would take longer than the age of civilization to solve could be cracked in the blink of an eye. This could mean breakthroughs in drug discovery, optimization of global supply chains, and even the simulation of molecules and materials that could lead to new forms of energy. The impact on science, industry, and society could be nothing short of revolutionary. Why Denmark? Turns out, they're loaded with quantum talent and a history that includes Niels Bohr, literal quantum royalty. Denmark has always punched above its weight in the world of science, producing some of the greatest minds in physics and mathematics. The country's universities are renowned for their research, and its scientists are at the cutting edge of quantum theory and experimentation. With a culture that values curiosity, collaboration, and innovation, Denmark is the perfect place to launch a project of this scale. Plus, they're collaborating with heavyweights like Microsoft and Google, all racing for quantum dominance. These tech giants bring not only massive resources and expertise, but also a global perspective that can help accelerate progress. By working together, Denmark and its partners are creating a quantum ecosystem that spans continents, industries, and disciplines. The race is on, and the stakes couldn't be higher. So will Denmark win the race? Who knows? The competition is fierce, with countries like the US, China, and Germany all investing heavily in quantum research. But one thing is clear: Denmark is in it to win it. With its unique blend of history, talent, and ambition, the country is poised to make a major impact on the future of technology. Whether they cross the finish line first or not, their efforts will help shape the world for generations to come. But one thing's for sure, the quantum future is closer than you think. Every day, researchers are making new discoveries, overcoming challenges, and bringing us closer to a world where quantum computers are as common as smartphones. The breakthroughs happening in Denmark today could soon ripple out across the globe, transforming industries, economies, and even the way we think about information itself. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more tech revolutions, because this channel is just getting started. We'll be following Denmark's quantum journey every step of the way, bringing you the latest breakthroughs, interviews with the scientists making it happen, and deep dives into the technology that could change everything. The future is quantum, and it's happening right now. Don't miss out. Join us as we explore the next great leap in human innovation.